This video will demonstrate how to create an invoice and record payments. SnapSuite helps you take jobs from start to finish as quickly as possible. The final step in this process is to invoice the client. To begin, you must first locate and identify the jobs that have been completed and are ready to invoice. You can find all jobs that are completed to be invoiced by clicking View All Jobs under the Completed to be Invoiced section on the dashboard. From the list screen, choose which client you would like to invoice and click Edit. This will open the work order for review. You can make any changes or final adjustments necessary to the work order before invoicing. You may want to add new materials that have not yet been entered. You can also add relevant notes from the job, or any relevant internal notes. Remember to hit Save if you have made any changes. Once your work order is updated, click Create Invoice. All relevant information from the work order will automatically generate on the invoice, such as client name, billing address, and job site location. Any materials you have already added will appear in the invoice detail section. You can add additional items by clicking the Add Item button and filling out the details. Once your invoice is finalized, save it by clicking the button at the top right or bottom left of the screen. Then click the Print button in the top right corner of the screen to generate a printable PDF version of your invoice. You can also email the invoice to the client by clicking on the Email button. If the client's billing email address has already been entered, it will auto-populate, as will any contacts you have selected to be CC'd. You can add additional emails manually, separating them with a comma. You can also select the template you wish to use for the body of the email, or enter a message manually. You will notice that the PDF version of the invoice has already been attached to the email. Once your email is finalized, hit the Send button in the bottom left corner. You will now be able to view your invoice from the work order under the Invoices tab. You can view invoices created for all clients by clicking on the Billing module and selecting List Invoices. If you have opted to sync SnapSuite with your accounting software, such as QuickBooks or Sage, these invoices will automatically be generated in your accounting system, and you can choose to record payments there. You can also record payments within SnapSuite by clicking on the Record Payments tab. You simply select the invoice to be paid, choose the payment method, and add a description if desired. Then hit Save. Invoices that have been paid can be identified on the list screen under the Status column. This concludes our tutorial video for creating invoices and recording payments.